The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CADDCOMLAB and make your AutoCAD do the 3Ds max. Dreams come true. Download the app now.
So number of items we will specify 15. Then again click on fit option, where you will click on the last point. You will get a number of copies on the equal spacing. So it's a very important command. Use this command in our interior detail, where you can make a wall decor, any other objects. Copy, rotate, move with simple commands, like you can move any object from one place to another place. Rotate, mirror, I think it's already a basic command for you. Am I?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Point, point style.
Point. Could you show me the point a little bit, please? The comment.
Okay.
And the point style, I know that. Time.
Point style. Divide.
Also I know that. Divide.
Very important command, and everybody knows what is the meaning of the divide. And it is very important command. We will use in the object when we will divide the equal object.
Yeah.
Break is also a basic command.
Yeah, I know that the break command, but where to use and how to use, I don't know. What I have to use and like
where we can use this command. Also, it's important thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's one where I can use that the command.
Scale command. Do you know this?
Scale. I know that.
And in the scale, there are a few options like reference.
Yeah, also I know that.
Okay. Stretch.
Yeah, stretch is most important. I know that.
That's important for architecture and interior field.
Yeah.
Chamfer.
Chamfer. Chamfer. I know that.
Right. Okay. So.
Sure.
Tell me. Go.
No, I wanted to say that like from those of command, I know all of this, but there is a break command and lengthen command. I know that where I have to use exactly.
Okay.
Break and lengthen, and otherwise. Yeah, sure.
So we will skip some commands like copy. We have used in our drawing. Move is a simple. Okay.
Yeah.
Also we will put this. Rotate. You know this.
Yeah. Mirror also move.
Mirror. Point.
Yeah. Point.
Example. Point command. Where we can use the point command. First of all, just example, I draw a circle, any object like a rectangle. So what we can do with the point? First, PO enter and specify a point. You can click on the edge of the object, like on the coordinate point, center point. So you can see that we will get a point where we will specify, like PO enter. This point. On this point, on this point. So what is the meaning of the point? We can create any point, we can mention any point of the object on the point, on the end point, midpoint, last point. But the second thing is very important, where we can use this command. We can use this command in our interior. Like we have a ceiling plan, and I want to mention some ceiling lights. Like I show you some ceiling drawings, so it will be clear from that drawing that how to use this drawing. Right. This is the ceiling plan, and you can see it's representing the ceiling, right?
Yeah.
It's a ceiling plan. So you can see that there are some ceiling lights like this one, this one, this one. So if you wanna create this kind of lighting fixtures in your ceiling plan, then you can use point command. First, this is a ceiling plan. Okay.
Yeah.
PO enter. Where you want to mention a ceiling light, PO enter and specify on the point where you want to create a ceiling light. PO enter, then specify a point. So with the help of this command, you can make a ceiling light fixture. At a time, if you wanna change the symbol of this light, then you can type DTP type enter. With the help of this command, we can change this symbol. Like if you wanna mention this symbol, this, you can select your own symbol. It's depend on your drawing. It's depend on you. So I wanna mention this kind of symbol. So select this symbol and specify point size and OK. So we can show any ceiling light with the help of this command. So we can use point command and DDP type command in our interior to show any electrical symbol. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a point we can mention a ceiling light. On the second way, this point, okay, this point, like. Any doubt?
Yeah, no, it's clear. It's clear now.
So it's very important command we can use in interior for lighting fixtures. Divide command is also a basic command. You can make a different partitions. You can make any object. You can divide any object with the equal spacing. With equal spacing, like example. First of all, I will create some object like a wardrobe. Just an example. I create a wardrobe like 6 by 6. Rectangle command. You know the rectangle command?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. So first change the unit and create any object like this. So now we have a rectangle. So just think this is a wardrobe elevation. So with the help of the divide command, we can create any partition in interior. If you are making a wardrobe, if you are making a kitchen cabinet, if you are making any object in which you want to show partitions, then this command will be very useful on that time. Example, this is a wardrobe and I want to make some partitions like 2 or 3 partitions. So what I will do, div enter, select object. How many parts you want to divide? So I will mention like example 2 or 3 parts. I will put the 3, enter. Then after the divide command, you have to type DDP type enter. Then select any your own design and OK. You can see now we have 3 partitions on equal spacing. Now I will mention simply the partition in our wardrobe.
Yeah.
Example, we have this is a top space of the wardrobe. Also, I want to make a equal partitions in this box. So again, I will use div command, select object, how many divide segments you want to create, like I want to create in 3 parts. So I will mention a 3, enter. Now you will get a 3 partitions in the wardrobe in equal spacing. So with the help of this command, we can create easily any partitions, any box, and that can be in a TV unit, the wardrobe, kitchen cabinet, in any interior, exterior, depending on the condition of the drawing. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Second, we can use to make a window elevations. Example, I will design any size of the object. So just an example, just think this is the window elevation and I want to make some partitions in window. So simple. First of all, we will create a frame of the window. It's very important thing कि you should know which command we can use in our drawing. You know, AutoCAD is a very basic software and every person knows that how we can design a drawing. But second way, if you wanna work like a professional, then you should know then how can save our time to make a design. With the help of
exactly.
It's very important. Autocad is a common software. Everybody knows that how to work, how to design on software. So, example, this is a window elevations, and we have created a frame of the window. Now, I want to make some partitions, window partitions. So we will use divide command also in this part. Div enter, select object, how many parts you want to create. I will mention like 6, enter. Now we have a 6 partitions line in our object, and we can mention easily. Then trim extra lines of the object. Now you can have a partition line of the window. Simple. So divide command is very important for me in architecture drawing, in interior drawing, both.
Yeah, exactly.
Break command is clear. You know this?
No, please could you show me the break and lengthen and
break command. I will say that maybe it's important. It's a 50-50. Then it may be used in our drawing, not. But what is the use of the break command? I show you. Example. First, I create a line. So what is the use of the break? Type BR enter. You can see the message in command line. It shows the select object. So select object, that means he's saying that they specify the first point on the object. So I will click on the object. We will click on the line, and this will be the first point of the break. Second point, if I will move my mouse cursor, then you can see it will remove that part of the line. If you have if you have remember this break distance, then you can mention your own distance. Like if you wanna break this on a specific distance, like 5 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, then you can mention your own distance. Example, I will put 5 feet, 2 feet. Then it will break on the specific distance.
I see.
We can break any line, we can break any circle with the first point and second point. Second thing is very important. When we will use break command, when we will break any object, and we can join that object with the help of join command. So it works together. Like join and break. So after using the break command, If you want to join this line, so first I will mention a J enter and select both object enter. Now you can see the both lines are joined. Clear? But the condition is the line should be in parallel, not in that condition. This condition, like in the same way, in the straight, not the different axis. So I will use the join command, J enter. We can select both object and enter. But in this condition, the object should not join. Right?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it.
So it's important, maybe it's a 50% chances you can use and you cannot use, depending on the object conditions. But lengthening is important command. Why? First of all, we will.
Yeah, I know that the lengthen command, but I don't know where I have to use the lengthen command.
Yeah, it's a very important thing. Where we can use this command. It's a point. It's very okay. I show you. For example, let me clear the options. That what is the use of the lengthen. Okay. After that, we will discuss that where we can use this object. Where we can use this command in our drawing. So firstly, we will discuss then what is the use of the lengthen. Okay. First, I create a line without any dimensions. And now I will type the LEN enter. LEN is the shortcut key of the lengthen. When you will type LEN enter, you can see you can see in the command line there are some points like delta, percent, total, and dynamic. What is the use of this kind of options? What is the meaning of the delta? What is the meaning of the percentage? Okay, delta means delta. If I will type DE, DE is the command of delta. If I will type DE enter, then you can see the message. It's showing the enter delta len. He is asking for a len. He's saying then put the any value, any length of the object. Right? Are you getting my point also?
Yeah.
Okay. So enter delta len. Here you can type any length. So I will type example 50 enter. Now I will click on the end point of the object. That may be a first point or end point. You can see it will extend the line. How much?
Yeah, 50.
Yeah. So you can extend this line on the specific value. It may be a end point, yeah, last point. So what is the meaning of the delta? We can increase the length of the object from the both points, from the start point and the end point. Yeah, it's very simple. Okay.
Yeah.
And from the to the end. Next, you can see the percentage. Percentage is the simple command. It means that how much percentage line we wanna show. Example. Let's take an example. Click on the percent option and enter percentage length. I will put the 50. Then you will click on the object. Now, after 50%, the remaining percentage amount you will get. Okay, it's a very simple. Total is very important. Total is very important command. What we can do with the total command? Example is type the command T enter for total. He's saying that specify total length. Total length. I don't know what is the length of the object, right? If I type any value like 20, 30, like 30 enter. When I will click on this line, what will be the headband? Can you tell me the how much the length of the object right now?
No.
I put the 30.
Oh, I got it. Like if you put the percentage, like keep the 30 or 40, that will keep this like specific percentage.
Specific. Yeah. Example. Again, I create any line without any random size. Again, I will type alien enter and T for total. If I will type a total distance like 200, and after that I will click on the line will be a completely on the 200 distance, will be a complete total.
Oh yeah, I got it now. If the line, like we draw a line and there is the dimension we don't know, so if the dimension is less than 200, so it will increase the 200, and if that is more than 200, it will bring to 200.
Yeah, it will bring 200. It depends on the value. It depends on the value. It will fixed on that value that you will mention. If the total length is 10 and you are mentioning the 50, then it will be fixed on 50. Right.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Last command. Sorry, I skipped the last command. Again, alien enter and the dynamic. Also, it's very important part of the lengthen. What is the use of the dynamic? Every person know the extend command. What is the use of extend command? It's a very simple command in AutoCAD. You can extend any line. Okay, simple. But the condition
I know that.
There will be a limit. It work on the limit. But if have a line and we have no any limit of the line, then we have to extend the next boundary. We don't have any boundary. Okay. Alien enter and select dynamic option. You can click on the end of the object and you can simply extend without any boundary where you wanna click. Simple.
Yeah, okay.
Simple. We have two boundaries. Alien enter, dy for dynamic. If I will click on the first point and I will move mouse of the last boundary, then it will extend. It's not the mean, then it will not extend again. So again I will click and more. You can increase, you can decrease of the length according to your object. Like you can increase this length to this point, you can decrease this length on a specific distance. But extend, what is the meaning of the extend? You can extend this command on the limit. That is the limit. So in dynamic, we have no any limit. We can extend simply alien enter, dy, we can extend the on a specific point, any. Simple. So in simple words, we can say that we can increase the length of the object. Increase, decrease. You can increase or decrease of the length. So it's very important for me. So the important command is in lengthen. Delta is important. We can use in our drawing. Total is important, and the dynamic. These three commands is very important. We can use in architecture drawings and interior, depending on the conditions. We will see when we will make a drawing. So what is the meaning of the scale and how we can use the scale and where we can use the scale? Tell me.
Scale we can use like for any specific measurement. Like we have a bigger measurement, like any of the things. So if you wanna make the perfect, or we have any specific measurement, so we can bring to the scale command.
Okay. You want to say this, we can increase and decrease the size of the object, right?
Example, we have a door. So there is that door, the dimension is 200. So we want to make that 100. So through the scale command, we can make this 100. Am I right?
Okay, right. Second, I show you some point. Example, first we create a circle on a specific radius like 20. Just remember radius of this object is 20. So I show you the dimensions. Okay, radius 20, right? If I will use scale command on this object, first SC enter, select object, enter and base point. If I will give the scale factor, you can see that in command line it's showing the scale factor. Okay, scale factor like it's mean then how much scale you can say that how much size you want to increase or decrease of the object. If I will put 10 or 20, any distance, just take any distance, I will put 20. So now tell me what will be the size of the object right now?
Oh, now 20.
20.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will open the calculator. Okay. So the radius of the circle was 20, right?
Yeah.
And after scale value, I put the scale value 20. So how much size will be of object right now?
Oh yeah, the measurement was 20. Then after you increase that 20. Now 400.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
200. Like the radius was 20 and the scale was 20. So the actual meaning of the scale, which value we will put that will multiply of the object value.
Yeah, okay.
The main point is scale factor multiply of the object value. Like just example, I show you a second. I will make a circle of 10 radius. Example, remember the radius of the circle is 10.
Yeah.
I show you. Yeah, this 10. Now I will put scale command, scale SC enter, select object, enter and base point. Now I will put the scale factor. Example, I will put 30. So the total amount of the circle should be 300.
Yeah, I got it. That's the scale will increase from the base dimension, first
Fifth
we
dimension.
put.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's multiplied with the base dimension. And in scale command, you can see the second option is reference. First example, let's take any example. We have some CAD blocks. So I will copy and paste in our drawing. So, okay. So the size of the door is 900. And I want to make this 1200. In this condition, we will use scale command. First, select object, SC enter, specify base point, and you can see the reference option in the command line, right?
Yeah.
Reference.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can type manually, press R for reference. Now he will ask the specified reference length. The reference length is mean the total length of the object. So you have to mention, you have to click a total length. The total length like first point and second point. Now we have another option. He is saying the specified new length. New length means this point. So first press P enter. Now specify the new length of the line, first and second. Okay, let me clear that the distance is fixed here not. when we will move this object on this point, then you can see the now the total size of the scale is.
Please show me again, please. Could you repeat that again?
Okay. Example.
I understood that, but later that you draw a line, and through the line same measurement you draw, so
okay.
That's one.
First we draw a line, like on any distance to. I will show the dimension of the object, right?
Yeah.
And the size of the object is 1200. Okay, now we have scaled before, so let me change the distance of the line, like 600, right?
Yeah.
So the total length of the line is 600 and the total length of the door is 1200. If you wanna scale this object on the basis of this length, we can use reference command. First of all, select SC enter, specify the base point. When you will click the base point, you will get a reference option in command.
Reference. Yeah.
I will click on the reference option. Then now he is saying the specified reference length. Reference length means total length of the object. We have to click the total length, like the door's first point and the last point. This is the total length of the object. When we will click the first and last, again we will have the next option. It's showing in the command line point. Specify new length. If you know the new length of the object, then you can mention here, right? If you don't know the total length of the object, then you can click on the point and you can mention, you can click first point and second point. Now I will move this object on this line to check the, right. Now it's fixed on the specific distance which I give on line 600. So this is the main use of the scale command. We can, in simple words, we can say that we can increase or decrease of the size of the object also.
Yeah, now it's clear. I got it. Yeah.
So it's very important in our drawing. Not for door. We can scale any furniture, like we can use the scale command in our architecture drawing, in our interior drawing. We can scale any furniture. Okay, we can scale any elevation text. Also, we can scale any object in the interior, like it can be a curtains, door, window, any. So it's very important part of our drawing. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Stretch command, you know this?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. Simple.
It will be better to show me again.
Stretch command. We can say that also this command is very important for me. Why? I show you in working drawing. Then you will be very clear then how to use this command in our drawing. So okay, first example. This is our elevation of any room. So we have a room, we have a door. Okay. So what we can do with the stretch command? Stretch command. So first, okay, sorry. Let me fix this. Where is this point taken. S enter. First, type the command of this stretch. S enter. Select object. select object means select half part of the object, not complete part. Why we will not complete object? Why we are selecting the half object? Can you explain it?
Oh, because if we select the half, so we can stretch from the half.
Half.
Just this side. Yeah.
Yes. If we will select complete part of the object, then it will not stretch. It will move that object from one place to second place. So that's why we will select half part of the object, enter, specify base point and the direction where you want to stretch. So stretch command is very important for me. We can stretch any object of interior, exterior. Like if you wanna increase the length, if you wanna decrease, increase the width of the object, you can simply type S enter, select half part, enter, specify base point and stretch which you wanna on the specific distance. So it's also very important command for me. Like in our elevations, like it's a okay. Now this is a window elevation. So if you wanna stretch, we can say that stretch command is also doing it's also increasing the length of the object. So also we can say that it's working like a scale, but scale stretch. Let's enter, select half part of the object, enter, specify base point and stretch value. You can specify a specific value. Okay, like I want to stretch this on a specific distance, like 1 feet, 2 feet, 1 meter, 2 meter. Then you can mention any distance on a specific distance. It will be moved. So with the help of this command, we can stretch any object, any size of the object, any length and any width of the object, and we can use in our interior drawings, and we can use this in our architecture drawing. So it's also very important command. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Chamfer.
Yeah, it's I know that the command.
What is the meaning of the chamfer?
Chamfer, like if we have a rectangle, so there I can explain, but I know that the word.
Okay.
Yeah,
explain to you. First of all, I create a object like 50 by 50. Okay. Chamfer command. First of all, CHA enter and D enter. When you will put D enter, then you can see the message in command line. It's showing the specify first chamfer distance. So he's asking for distance. So distance may be if you are how much size we have mentioned object. Actually, I forget. Let me clear. But okay, it's 50 by 50. So again, CHA enter, D enter. So now I will put the chamfer distance 20, enter. Again, he's asking for the second distance. So again, I will put the same value. It's not important that you have to mention the same value. You can mention a different value. Like first distance 10, and second distance you can put 5, 6, 10, 12, any value. So second distance I will mention like 15. So first click is called first distance. When you will click on second click, then it will call second distance. So first click is first distance and second click is second chamfer distance.
Second distance. Yeah.
So with the help of this command, we can create a triangle edges of the rectangle. We can make a triangular edges. Like example, again I repeat this command. So CHA enter, D enter, CHA enter, D enter, and specify first distance. And the first distance I wanna make a triangle like 10 by 10. So you can mention a first distance 10. Again, second distance, type 10, enter. When you will click on the first line, then it will make a first distance, and second click, that will second distance. So okay, let me clear. I will make the line of the part. So this is the 10 and this is the 10.
Yeah.
Right? Again,
Yeah.
when we will mention a chamfer command, CHA enter, D enter, and I will mention distance 1 and 2. You can see that there are so many types of option in the command line. You can see the polyline. So do you know what is the meaning of the polyline? Yeah, what is the work of the polyline?
Yeah, I know the word, but yeah, please repeat it again.
Polyline. Polyline example. When I will type a CHA enter, D enter command, and I will mention a first distance and second distance, then we can see the polyline command. Select polyline command. After that, when you will pick an object, you can see the different.
Oh, yeah.
I will make a fresh rectangle when I will explain this command. So I will make a rectangle square 50 by 50. Then again I will type CHA enter, D enter. I will mention the distance 20 and 20. Then for polyline, select polyline option and select object.
Yeah, it will come all of side together.
All of this side automatically.
Yeah,
Yes.
to make like this through the multiple, so we have to click for, like, there is a 4 sides. So to make through the multiple, we have to click 4 times. But with the polyline, through the one click, it came just once. Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, clear. Very clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It was very
Don't worry, we will learn a lot of things, and that things will be very important and very useful in our drawing. Okay.
Yeah, those are most important comments.
Yeah. I told you that software is very simple. Software is very easy, and everybody knows that how to work on AutoCAD. But like a professional, if you wanna work, so there are so many. You have to change your method. You should know the tricks how you can save your drawing, how you can save your time to making this drawing. So there are so many.
You know what? Yeah, I have drawn a lot of like drawing. I have, so you know what? I'm quite lazy to like my work. That's not much fast, and that's not like look like professional. That's just simple. I just draw and like put the dimension. Just that's it. So yeah.
So in floor plan, Kaushal, you know this. What is the meaning of the center line? Actually, you have worked on floor plan, and obviously you have worked number of floor plans. So you know what is the meaning and what is the use of the center line, and what is the center line use, where we should mention. Okay. That thing is very important.
Yeah. Look, there is a direction in your drawing, like A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and like the center line using. So I don't know this meaning and why there is using that kind of symbol.
Point, so, and this is very important. It's very important for you.
And look at the pillar. There is a pillar like color. So yeah, that kind of. So you can see. I don't know for what.
Okay. Yeah, these things I just want to know that how much you can work on your drawing. Yes. These things very important. Yeah. Okay. So we can learn a lot of things in this drawing. We will learn just like a professional. Okay, so just don't worry. We will discuss number of commands, number of points of this drawing, then how to mention a dimensions, and how to mention how to prepare a space design. Space design
Yeah,
is a
yeah, that's my point. That's like in floor plan, that exactly how this. You know what? Sometimes I told you that in our office I got chance to work. So sometimes the customer just giving the floor plan and with dimension they want with like a bedroom and this or and like the things room. So they don't just want to design that. So I don't know the exact dimension. What should I put there and how is the dimension? What's the dimension there and how much space should I keep there? And yeah, that's.
There are so many
You know what?
points.
What 1 month ago, I have drawn drawing that's modules. Do you know that the modules? I'm in sitting room, so that's
Sure.
Arabic people are used most of the time. So there is what I did. I made mistake a lot of there, and first I had to take the measurement. So I didn't did that. Instead, the customer side that there is in that the modules the sofa will be 3-seater. So I
Okay.
put the sofa bigger. I don't know the exact standard dimension. That's why I put the dimension bigger. And after that, after complete that, he's saying, "Oh, that's too much." So
Yeah,
you should more
yeah,
discourage
still
this.
not do
Uh,
that.
yeah, that's no problem.
Okay. You don't know the actual size of the furniture. The main problem is that you don't. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
you don't know the actual size of the standard size of the furniture. The main problem is that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you that the standard size of the furniture and what is the standard size of the door, bed, sofa, and there are a lot of things in furniture.
Yeah.
So we discuss about the standard.
Through the practical work, I wanna know that through the practical work.
Yeah, right. And how we can design a space planning on the basis of the client requirement. If any client give me a specific area and he said, just design me the space planning floor plan, electrical floor plan, fall ceiling floor plan. So in that condition, what we should do? Yeah, right. I got it.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
I know. Every professional has same problem. I know. It's a common problem. It's a common problem of for any professional. Yeah, like a beginner, a student. Yeah, you could say that a student. Yeah, any professional. It's the same problem of everyone. Okay, no problem. So next session in our next session, we will create a floor plan, and we will know that what is the process, systematic way to create a flow plan. We will discuss this topic in our next session. Actually, I think we have around 12 o'clock. We have completed our 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. No, that's enough.
So, tell me about the session, about the today's session. Have you enjoyed? Yeah, have you learned?
Yeah, that was really helpful today's class because I learned a lot of things. So yeah, that's it. It was really good, and yeah, that's really fine.
You can say that it's a basic class. I will say that it's a total basic class. In our next session, we will discuss on the flow plan, and that part will be a very important topic. So today's session is very simple. Today's we discuss only shortcut keys, like what is the meaning, the use of command. So it's a simple things.
Yeah.
But it's a simple command, but it's important. We can draw any flow plan on the basis of these commands. So that is very important for me.
Yeah.
Okay, I know that this
Yeah,
command
in my side of yeah.
okay, so I'm saying that this command is common and everybody knows that what is the meaning of this command. But I said to everyone, if you know these commands, about this command that where we can actually use this command in our drawing, that is important part for me. So this part we will cover in our next session. Then this command, how we can use in our flow plan. That's the most important part.
Yeah. So I think in my side of view, yeah, the command is no problem. I have well, I know the commands well. So yeah, that's I just told you that the problem is drawing direction, how to draw. Yeah, you mentioned that before. So
Right.
that's
So we will discuss about the floor plans, typical floor plan. What is the process of to create a floor plan? And you can see the footing. What is the meaning of the footings? Right? You can see
yeah,
the
exactly. Elevation.
and
Yeah,
different types of elevation and the name of the elevation, how we can create and how we can mention the material specification of the elevations, standard material specification on the basis of the catalog. That is the important part, right?
yeah, exactly.
So we will learn about the door window schedules. What is the meaning of the door window schedules? We will discuss in next in coming sessions, like section. What is the use of section? How we can draw a professional? How we can draw a section like a professional? Also is very important,
Yeah,
right? So these are the parts we will discuss, like ceiling layout and typical layout, electrical layout. So there are so many parts. So we will, I will say in just one word, then you will get a like a professional training. So just don't worry, okay?
yeah,
Like
yeah. Look, this drawing I saw on YouTube, so there was just not complete tutorial, so that's why I couldn't understand all of that. So yeah, that was really yeah, there was really wonderful videos. I really like that video, and but
thank you,
uh,
thank you.
there is not full video or like full lecture. So yeah.
Okay, you can see the electrical layout. Have you worked on the electrical layout right now?
No. I've never worked in electrical layouts, so even I don't have idea.
Okay, electrical layout. And this is the space planning. This is called the space planning, proper space planning of the furniture, standard size of the furniture. You can see in this drawing. Okay, so there are so many things we will discuss on the session. There are so many things. So after the class, I will share you the recorded lecture link, so you can download the lecture and you can make your own practice with the help of this video. Okay.
Yeah, that will be more. Yeah, that will be more wonderful.
Yeah.
If I
After
get
the class,
that kind of like after. Yeah.
after a few
Okay.
1 hour, just give me the time. After a few hours, I will share you the link of the lecture. Then you can download this lecture from that link and you can make your own practice on the basis of the lecture. So tomorrow we will start with a new command.